Take a picture.
What are we seeing?
Pink flamingos. The white ones are the kids because they didn't eat enough shrimps yet to get pink.
On Curacao, north of Venezuela.
It's so beautiful here.
It's so beautiful and it's raining, but fortunately we're under this canopy.
I'm standing underneath a Manzanilla fruit tree. Manzanillas are little apples and they're very poisonous. In the revolt, when they were fighting against the other side, they poisoned the water with these apples. And also they planted these good-looking fruit trees, so when the pirates would come ashore and they would head towards the people's homes, they would be like, oh, apples, and they would take some bunch of them back to the ship, make cider, and everybody died. Don't eat the manzanillas.
We're going to look for the sea turtles. There's the fishermen chopping the fish down there. They throw the bits in the water and it attracts the turtles to come closer inshore.
I think the view is not perfect here. You must swim to the boat.
Okay,
Normally by the bicycle.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Because the view is not perfect.
Here we go. Looking for the sea
No
turtle.
dangerous animals here. No sharks.
It's a little chilly.
Be careful.
Can I feed him? It's right there. Yes.
No, that makes it loud.
He's right here.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. Let's take a picture with them. Pose.
It's the same one, yeah. My mom.
Right, it's our time.